Hi, samahan niyo po ako pumunta sa Japan today. First time ko pong sasakay ng Japan Airlines, so I'm super excited. So in this video, I'm going to show you what it's like and what's the experience riding Japan Airlines for the first time. So this Japan trip is actually going to Akita. So pupunta muna kami ng Tokyo via Haneda Airport, and then from Haneda, lilipad naman kami to Akita. So bali dalawang flights siya, magko-connecting flights kami. Both of those flights are going to be through Japan Airlines din. So ang terminal po natin dito sa Naiya ay Terminal 1. And I'm glad kasi this terminal is so much more convenient and mas madali ang process in my opinion. So ang boarding time namin is actually in an hour pa. Kaya right now, andito kami sa Little Flower here sa Terminal 1. This is one of the things that I love about Terminal 1. Mas maganda din yung mga restaurants here. So even if wala ka sa lounge, for example, parang lounge pa rin yung feeling kasi nandito ka sa loob ng Little Flower. So this is what it looks like. Ayan, parang nasa lounge pa rin, di ba? Ayun, si Armand, kasama ko, pati yung parents niya, andyan. Ayan po, sina tita and tito, hello! So according sa check-in counters kanina, pag-land namin sa Terminal 3 sa Haneda, kailangan muna namin pick upin yung mga bags namin para madaan namin siya through the customs. Tapos paglabas naman natin ng customs, maghanap tayo ng assistance doon from Japan Airlines din para i-bag drop na lang natin yung mga bagahe natin. Hindi na kailangan mag-check-in ulit, mag-bag drop na lang kasi dalawa na actually yung binigay nila sa amin na boarding pass dito pa lang sa Naiya. Anyway, I'll show everything to you later na lang. For now, kain muna tayo and we're waiting for our boarding time. Mamaya I'm going to show you what inside the airline looks like and ano yung experience, yung legroom, yung seats, ano yung mga amenities na available. Hello! So dito sa JAL na area, dito sa may gate 2, nakahiwalay na ang mga naka-business class. So sila yung boarding groups 1 and 2, yung mga pumapasok na yan, yung parang naka-close na area na yan. Sila yung mga, mga pinagpala. Tayo ang mga nasa laylayan. Ayan, ganito po ang itsura ng seat natin. This is what the seat is like. Meron tayong blanket na kasama and a small pillow. And then ganito naman ang kanilang headrest. Ayan, pwedeng i-adjust, pwede mong i-move like this. Tapos sa harap natin, merong screen. And then merong hook naman dito sa bitan. And then ganito naman ang kanilang tray. Parang dalawang folds ang tray nila dito. This is what the legroom is like naman. Maluwag naman ang legroom natin. You can stretch like this. Ang kanilang safety video naman will play here in the screen, so hindi na manually i-demonstrate ng crew. So yung screen natin, ayan, may for entertainment, and entertainment may mga movies or videos that you can watch. Most of the movies na available here ay mga Japanese films, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan, may mga anime na Japanese, and hindi ako sure, parang series yata yung iba dito. For the games naman, we have mga board games, mostly may Angry Birds, solitaire board games, card games, something to keep the boredom away lang. There are also e-books available, pero hindi ko na chinek yan. And then this, ito for the kids, parang filtered siya na entertainment for the kids, parang ganun yung labas. And then this is our food, guys, ang bongga kasi it's a complete meal. Ayan, may gulay, may salad, and then this is like an eggplant, yan siya. And then ayun, may mga appetizers, and then dessert din for as an appetizer kasi parang pudding na parang cake yung isang yan. And then we have fruits also. We have watermelon, papaya, and then that's pineapple. And then the main meal natin, ayan, ano siya, I think pork yan. Parang ganun yung itsura niya. Tapos parang sobrang daming ginger niyan. Sobrang daming pickled ginger. Looks appetizing naman and smelled good when we had it. And then, binigyan na kami ng water, but aside from the water itself, tinanong pa kami if we have a preferred drink. So, pinapili kami kung juice or tea or something. So, binigyan pa kami ng juice. I asked for apple juice. And then the dessert, of course, it's Häagen-Dazs na ice cream. So, ito I tried the salad na para siyang coleslaw na parang merong row yata yung mga kulay orange na yan. If I'm not mistaken, parang row siya. And it's good. It's pretty good. Apple juice is also nice. And then itong isang to, this is apparently eggplant na I was surprised na I actually liked it. Hindi ko na-expect na magustuhan ko siya. And then ito yung parang cake kanina na mukhang pudding. So it's actually chiffon cake with parang lemon na flavor. Tarty and also nice. Ayan, the fruits were surprisingly fresh. Hindi ko in-expect. Ang sarap ng watermelon tsaka ng papaya, but the pineapple I did not like so much kasi maasim yung pineapple nila, hindi masyado matamis. And then the main dish, ayan, pork pala siya. Not as flavorful as I expected. mas ginger yung lasa niya but not much saltiness. I wish na it was a bit saltier. And then my favorite is the Häagen-Dazs, the dessert. Oo, expected naman na dessert yung favorite ko palagi. And then, as you can see, ayan, meron din silang wifi. Ayan, you can connect through their Japan Airlines na wifi. And then, tinry ko, it actually works. Ayan, sinek ko pa yung TikTok ko. Follow nyo rin ako sa TikTok, guys, please. Ayan, and gumana naman siya. Medyo erratic nga lang. Parang, ayan, nadidisconnect siya every now and then. Yung lavatory nila, not that different naman from other airlines since nasa economy lang kami. Except for the fact na, ang daming mirrors. Ayan, kita nyo naman, parang, every corner, pang 3 mirror yata yung nandyan sa buong lavatory na yan. Then ayun, same utilities naman. May soap, merong water na pwedeng warm, pwedeng cold. There's an area to change diapers for your kids. There's tissue also. Yung toilet nila, when you flush it, sensor lang. You don't actually have to press a button, so you don't have to touch anything talaga. So overall, yung first flight namin is a really pleasant one. Maayos yung take-off, maayos yung landing, and smooth yung flight, so hindi masyadong turbulent, so hindi ako masyadong natakot. Even getting off the aircraft was also nice and organized. We're here na in Tokyo. We have just landed here sa Haneda Airport dito sa Tokyo. First time ko po sa airport na to kasi madalas kapag nagja-Japan ako, yung pinupuntahan ko na airport dito sa Tokyo ay Narita. So first time ko na sa Haneda, and so far parang maganda rin yung airport nila dito. Ayan, look, meron pa tayo yung beautiful view of the sun. Yan yung aeroplanong sinakay natin kanina. Hindi ko alam kung dahil lang hindi peak hours, pero maaliwalas and wala masyadong tao. Ayan, very spacious. Super excited ako. Hindi pa tapos yung journey natin actually kasi nag-take pa tayo ng isa pang flight papunta ng Akita. From here sa Terminal 3, lipat naman tayo ng Terminal 1 para dun tayo sasakay ng domestic flight papuntang Akita. Ayan, nakuha na po namin yung luggage namin. Right after immigration, luggage area na agad. Tapos makita nyo naman right away kung saang airline per carousel. So, mabilis lang namin nakuha yung mga luggage namin. Now, ang need naman namin i-figure out ay saan namin iba-bag drop yung mga luggage. Kasi may flight pa kami to Akita, diba? So, do we drop it here sa Terminal 3 ng Haneda or do we drop it sa Terminal 1 ng Haneda where our flight is going to be? For that, hindi namin alam pa, kaya hingi kami ng tulong sa transfer desk for now. Okay, so we finally figured it out. Dito pa lang sa Terminal 3 ng Haneda, dito drop off na natin yung luggage natin. Merong area dito na domestic transfers. Ayun, so bago kami lumipat to Terminal 1, we bag drop muna here sa Terminal 3, then we take a shuttle to Terminal 1 where we will have our flight to Akita. Nasa shuttle na po kami now from Terminal 3 going to Terminal 1. Take note lang friends na yung travel time pala from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1 here sa shuttle is 20 minutes. So matagal-tagal din siya na biyahe. So make sure that you take that into consideration sa schedule ninyo. Dito na po tayo sa boarding gate namin dito sa Terminal 1. So, hintay-hintay na lang kami abang-abang hanggang pwede na kami papasukin. Sobrang close ng boarding time sa sa flight. Nakalagay sa boarding pass namin, yung boarding time daw is 6:50. Yung flight namin 7 AM. So, 10 minutes lang yung boarding. Anyway, mainit daw sa labas, 32 degrees daw right now kasi summer naman ngayon sa Japan. And alam nyo guys, nasa airplane pala ako kanina, pinagpapawisan na ako. Kahit ngayon na nasa loob ako ng airport, pinagpapawisan na rin ako. So, kumusta na lang kaya mamaya, di ba? Paglabas natin ng airport, tingnan natin. We finally arrived na po. Here na kami sa Akita Airport. Very small and very quaint ang airport nila. Ayan, tingnan nyo po. Even yung carousel nila where you pick up your bags, parang wooden yung design. Very probinsya yung vibes here. And I really like it. Ang cute. So mga more or less, 1 hour lang yung flight from Haneda papunta here sa Akita. Yung sinakyan namin na airplane, as in maliit lang siya. But it's very comfortable actually. And maganda yung flight namin. Nakatulog nga ako ng bongga. Nakita man namin may mga stamps dito sa airport. This, and then put here. Oh, cute. Wow. Yay! Friends, ang unang meal natin dito sa Japan, dito sa Akita ay, of course, sa Konbini. Nasa Family Mart tayo and ito yung una natin kakainin. Palaging ito yung una kong kinakain pag nagland ako sa Japan. Egg sandwich. Ayan, masarap kasi yung mga egg sandwich dito sa Japan, sa mga convenience stores nila. Ayan, friends, ang ating egg sandwich. Ang sarap-sarap po. Ito naman nakita lang namin dito sa Family Mart, Fami Chiki na spicy. Yan, parang basically parang chicken, breaded chicken. Lambot ah. Sarap. Sarap yung breading. So tambay-tambay muna kami saglit dito sa Akita Airport. Dito pa lang sa airport guys, kita nyo na yung kultura talaga dito sa Akita. Kita nyo yung mga Akita Inu, yung mga dogs, mga namahage. Namahage is para silang parang folklore na creature na parang scary yung face, parang ganoon. May malaking namahage dito kanina. Ayun, maliit lang yung airport kasi domestic lang naman to na place. Pero from here pa lang, maramdaman mo na yung vibe na probinsya siya, which is something that I was really wanting to experience here sa Japan. Na yung parang probinsya life naman kasi most of the time, doon ako sa mga cities, di ba? Sa mga Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, ganyan. So, yun yung pinaka-excited ako na maramdaman dito, ma-experience dito. And so far, airport pa lang, ang happy na ako, meets expectations na. First thing that we did upang landing here sa Akita Airport ay kumuha tayo ng wifi. So, hindi tayo nakapag-book online kasi ang mga available na lang sa Klook ay mga eSIMs. Pag nag-book naman kayo ng eSIM sa Klook, sulit naman yun and convenient. Especially when you use the promo code Pinoy Foodie Klook, meron pa kayong mga additional discounts. Pero kami kasi we prefer na pocket wifi talaga yung dalhin kasi gusto namin maraming device yung nakakonect namin without eating much of the battery ng phone namin, gano'n. So yung wifi box, madali lang. Pag land dito, may isang area doon na parang basically mag-register ka lang, babayad ka lang online, and then you can get the wifi box na on your own, even without assistance. Self-service, very user-friendly ang pag-purchase and pag-claim, pati yung pagsukli ng wifi. After we got our wifi, pumunta na kami ng ATM para mag-withdraw. Ako naging habit ko na pag pumunta ako sa ibang bansa na hindi na ako nagpapa-exchange ng currency, ng bills. What I do na lang ay nag-withdraw na lang ako sa ATM. We're expecting na sobrang init ngayon kasi it's summertime here in Japan, but parang hindi ko alam, parang may bagyo yata or something kasi sobrang cloudy. Even sa Pilipinas, pag alis namin umuulan tapos pag land namin dito, very cloudy din. Hoping na hindi siya maging sobrang scorching hot. But we'll see kasi sabi kanina sa airplane 32 degrees na daw dito so mainit. Tingnan na natin paglabas natin sa airport. Ayun, super excited ako. Samahan niyo ako guys as I explore Akita here in Japan.